Jai Hind dear students, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine and doing great at your home. So today I am here again to discuss the very first chapter of our book Vistas, and the name of the chapter is The Third Level, written by Jack Finney. Okay, so explanation I have already done, but basically I want you to have a quick relook and recap of the chapter. That's why I'm here with the video. So the third level, I know this name is a little bit strange, like third level. What kind of a title is it? Third level. So I told you that it is a story, time travel story, in which our hero, protagonist Charlie, he just keeps on thinking about a time where he wants to go actually. Okay, he just kept on thinking about 1894 when World War was not there and people they were living a very quiet and peaceful life. And the third level basically is a way of is a medium for him to escape from the present day's harsh realities. He doesn't want to accept the reality, the fear, the anxiety, and that's why he's trying to escape from all of these problems, and he finds third level as a medium of his escape. Okay, so before we go into the depth, let me quickly tell you about the word meanings, the important words which are used in this chapter, and also with the characters, main characters of the chapter. Okay, so important words, we will go one by one. The very first word is psychiatrist. Psychiatrist means a doctor of mental illness. And who was psychiatrist in our chapter, the third level? Sam Weiner, who was the friend of Charlie. He was a psychiatrist. Okay. Then stamp collection. Our main hero Charlie, he was having a hobby of stamp collection, and even his grandfather was also doing stamp collection, and his friend Charlie's friend Sam, he refers his stamp collection also as a medium of escape only. He said that you do stamp collection just to escape from the present day's harsh realities, right? Then our third word, which is very often used in the chapter, is subway. Subway means underground railway paths or underground paths. That is called subway. Then there is another word used, that is tan gabardine suit. So tan means brownish in color, tan color, and gabardine means gabardine is a type of a cloth which is used for making suits. Okay, trousers and proper suits. Okay, so that is called tan gabardine. Then next we have lobby. So lobby, a very large hall inside a building, that is. Okay, so we were talking about lapels. So what are lapels? Lapels, when you wear coat na, so a V shape formed. You see na there at the place of the collars. So that is called lapels. Okay. Now let us move to the name of the places. Some of the name of the places, very important name of the places. New York Central, New Haven, Hartford Railroads. What are these? These are the main railway stations of New York. These are the main railway stations of New York City. Okay. Then Vanderbilt Avenue is the name of a building, and then Central Park, it is a very prominent park in New York. And then our main station where our author found the third level, that is the Grand Central Station, which was very crowdy and very busy station it was, and there are so many exits, and Charlie, he entered into the third level in this station only. So very, very important. Okay, now let us move towards the main characters. Okay, so main characters, Charlie, Louisa and Sam. Okay, further we are going to discuss. Okay, So Charlie, he is our main hero. He is the protagonist of the chapter, the third level, and he himself is narrating the story. Okay, so he is 31 years old, an ordinary man just like me and you, and he just try to escape from. He is not ready to accept the present day realities. He doesn't want to accept that insecurities, fear, anxiety, which is very much prevalent in the society. So that is why he is trying to escape from this, and that's the reason he entered into third level one day. Okay, then Louisa is his wife. Okay, and she is a very an ordinary lady. Okay, and then Sam is the friend of Charlie. Sam's business is of he is a psychiatrist basically by profession, and Charlie often used to have a discussion with Sam regarding the third level and regarding the Galesburg, Illinois. Basically, this Charlie wants to go to Galesburg, Illinois. He wants to go to there. And very important thing which you need to remember here, 1894, this year. Okay, he wants to go to Gales, Illinois in 1894 because he think that in 1894 this place, Galesburg, Illinois is a very quiet, calm place. People, they were very satisfied, contented because there were no wars. Because First World War, when it took place in 1914. So till 1894, people, they knew nothing about all these things. No depression was prevailing in the society. No fear of wars. No, not even a single insecurity was existing in the society. People, they were very happy with whatever they have. They were, enjoying the nature. They were having a relaxed life. So he wanted to go back to that life. He wanted to go to Galesburg, Illinois and enjoy that life. So basically it is a time travel story in which he remains in the present, but he kept on thinking about that past 1894. Okay, now I want you to remember few important terms. So we were discussing about the important points of our chapter, the third level, written by Jack Finney. So the another important term which comes and very often it's been asked in the exam is, what is the world? What is the world? And students, they give very weird answers, wrong answers most of the time. Somebody writes that it's the name of the magazine. Somebody writes that the world is full of miseries and all. But please do remember that the world is the name of the newspaper. Okay, so the world is the name of the newspaper, right? It's the name of the newspaper. The world is the newspaper, and you need to remember the date which was mentioned on it. The world was the newspaper which our hero, our protagonist Charlie, found on third level, and to make sure that he is in third level only in 1894, he looked at the very first page of that newspaper, and there he saw two many important things which very often asked in the exam. That is, number one, date. What was the date on that? The date was 11 June 1894. So by seeing 11 June 1894, Charlie, he was very much sure that yes, he is on third level at that moment. Also, on the very front page, there was headline about President Cleveland, and his picture was also there on the very first page. So whose picture was there? President Cleveland. Okay, he was the American president at that time in 1894. So by seeing the date and by looking at the picture of President Cleveland, Charlie was sure that yes, he has reached third level. Okay, so the another important thing which you need to remember is the first cover. What is first cover? First cover is basically whenever any new stamp is issued by government. So those who are having a passion, hobby of collecting stamps, what they do, they just put the stamp into an envelope and send it to themselves only. Suppose I am having a hobby of stamp collection, so what I will do, I will purchase that new stamp and I will put it on envelope and I will mail it to myself only. Okay, and inside first covers you are not supposed to write any letter or any written material, only a plain paper was put in. But here there was something different. The first cover which Charlie found. What was different and unique about that first cover? What was unique and different about that first cover which Charlie found? The thing which was unique was that that first cover which Charlie was found, in that first cover there was a written note. A note. Usually what happens in first cover, we just put a plain paper, we do not write anything, but here Charlie found a written note by Sam, okay, and he was surprised to see that, right? Then there was a sentence, a phrase which is used, that is waking dream wish fulfillment. Waking dream wish fulfillment. Okay, waking dream wish fulfillment. What is it now? Waking dream wish fulfillment. Waking dream wish fulfillment means just to find out a way to escape from the present day's realities. Suppose if I am not ready to accept the reality, I always remain in tension, anxiety, fear, depression, and I am not ready to accept all these things. I want to I want a way out to get away from all this. So that is called waking dream wish fulfillment, which is next to impossible, which is not possible. Okay, our hero Charlie, he was an escapist. Okay, he was he couldn't bear the tension of the present day life. He was not being able to bear the tensions, and he was not being able to cope up with that too. Okay, so what he did, he found he has taken he imagined third level, so that he imagined third level in his mind, so that he can run away from the worries of his life. Okay, so when he reached his friend Sam and he told about third level, so what he said, that Charlie, it is just a waking dream wish fulfillment. You are trying to escape from the reality, you are not ready to accept the reality. Okay, what is the second phrase that is used? That is temporary refuge from present. Temporary refuge from present. Again, the meaning is almost same, just like waking dream wish fulfillment. Temporary refuge from the present means he want to look out for a way. He want to distract himself from the thoughts of this present world where there were wars also. People, they were always there in the anxiety and tension. So he want to come out of that. So if to look, to distract himself or to deviate himself, he tried out a way. And what was his temporary refuge from the present? His temporary refuge from the present, if you can see the context of the chapter, with the context of the chapter, His stamp collection hobby was also a temporary refuge from the present, as well as his imagining of the third level is also his temporary refuge from the present day reality. Okay, so these were some of the important words and terminologies which. Okay, so before we wind up the session, let us quickly have a recap of all the characters in the chapter. The very first character is our hero, Charlie. He is the main protagonist, hero. He was 31 years old man. His hobby was stamp collection. Stamp collection is also called philately. Stamp collection is also called philately. Charlie appeared to be suffering from fear, insecurity, anxiety, and fear of the war-ridden world. He was looking for an escape from this world. His longing for some idyllic and peaceful place like Galesburg, Illinois, made him stray to a corridor at Grand Central Station. Grand Central Station, a very busy, crowded station with many exits, which was growing like a plant, a tree, big tree, huge tree in fact. And there our hero, he found the third level. Third level, actually it was the level at Grand Central Station from where one could take train to the past year 1894. When he shared this incident with his wife, she felt angry and she asked him to visit his friend, psychiatrist friend Sam. So the another character which has appeared was Sam. Sam, he was a psychiatrist and he talked to many psychic patients daily who told him about their woes and worries. When Charlie met him and he told him about the third level, he said he considered it as one of his waking dream wish fulfillment, and he said that it is his only way, a temporary refuge from the reality. He tries to convince people that everything is quite normal and it is their perception that change things. Okay? Next character which comes into the picture is the wife of Charlie, and her name is Louisa. Louisa, she is a loving and caring wife. She is a simple lady and it is not difficult to take her in. She refuses to accept the psychiatrist's observation that her husband is unhappy. She takes this comment as a personal attack on her and feels kind of mad. Now we have discussed first day cover. First day cover. So for your convenience, I have included a picture here. You can see what are first day covers. On the day when a new stamp is issued, stamp collectors buy those stamps, stick them on the letter and post them to their own address. So the stamp collectors buy those stamps, stick them on the letter and post them to their own address. When this letter reaches their home with the postmark and the date, they preserve it in their collection. This letter is called a first day cover. They are never opened because only a plain paper was kept inside it. But when Charlie got that first cover, he found a note written by Sam inside that first day cover. Okay? So basically it is a psychological journey of a ordinary man who wants to escape from the present day's harsh realities, who doesn't want to face these insecurities which are very much existing and prevailing in the society. Similarly, Charlie, he wants to go to Galesburg, Illinois, and wanted to live a peaceful and quiet life. Okay, so this is all about our chapter, the third level. Still, if you have any doubts or any queries, you can contact me during your doubt clearance session. Read the chapter very seriously, very carefully, otherwise it would be difficult to understand this chapter because it is not a simple story. I told you that it is a time travel story in which the writer, our narrator Charlie, he just keeps on thinking about the past. There was a frequent transitions between past and present. Okay, and further he moves into future also. So it is a kind of a transitional psychological story journey which is having science and fiction inside it. So it's not that simple story which you will understand in one go. So read the chapter twice, thrice, and if still there is any problem, do contact me. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.